shape, color, and gloss. Those are an object's three most salient visual features. Currently, 3D printers can reproduce shape and color reasonably well. Gloss, however, remains a challenge. That's because 3D printing hardware isn't designed to deal with the different viscosities of the varnishes that lend surfaces a glossy or matte look. It might be used to faithfully reproduce fine art, allowing near-flawless replicas to be distributed to museums without access to originals. It might also help create more realistic-looking prosthetics. Co-authors include Mitz Wojciech Matuszek, Vahid Babare of the Max Planck Institute, Szymon Rusinkiewicz of Princeton University, and Piotr Didik of the University of Lugano. Glossiness is simply a measure of how much light is reflected from a surface. A high-gloss surface is reflective, like a mirror. A low-gloss, or matte, surface is unreflective, like concrete. Varnishes that lend a glossy finish tend to be less viscous and to dry into a smooth surface. Varnishes that lend a matte finish are more viscous, closer to honey than water. They contain large polymers that, when dried, protrude randomly from the surface and absorb light. You have a bunch of these particles popping out of the surface, which gives you that roughness. The state-of-the-art way to reproduce a surface with spatially varying gloss is labor-intensive. The object is initially printed with high gloss and with support structures covering the spots where a matte finish is ultimately desired. Then the support material is removed to lend roughness to the final surface. There's no way of instructing the printer to produce a matte finish in one area, or a glossy finish in another, says Foshey. So, his team devised one. They designed a printer with large nozzles and the ability to deposit varnish droplets of varying sizes. Please support my channel to grow by pressing subscribe button and the bell icon. We will notify you technological news. Thank you.